What is going on, Cheddarsoft? Taylor here, and I am very excited about this update that I'm about to show you. This is the biggest update that we have added to the Cheddarsoft system since its creation. It is by far the most requested feature that you have asked us to build, and I'm happy to say that we have built it. It is inside the system and it is working. Now, this feature is still under its beta phase, so there might be some bugs that you'll run into or encounter. We expect that. Just give us that feedback and we will get those fixed up right away. But as of right now, it is in a pretty good place to go ahead and hand over to you. We didn't want to wait on this update. We wanted to get in your hands as soon as possible so you can start benefiting from it and playing around with it. And what that update is this button right here that says Show Latest Stats in the upper right hand corner of Smart Data. Now, the Show Latest Stats button does exactly that. It's going to show you the latest stats that we have on file for your lead. It is going to update your FBA price, your net profit, your ROI, and your 90-day sales rank average. So let's just take a look at this first lead here. We see an FBA price of $33.80, a net profit of $9, an ROI of 82%, and a 90-day sales rank average of around 118,000. When I flip this switch, you're going to see that those sections turn green, and our new FBA price is $34.47, net profit's $9.76, ROI is 89%, and the sales rank average is 89,000. Now, these stats are our most current up to date. These are not live FBA prices. We didn't want to build it that way because it would require a connection to your Seller Central account, and you would also run into throttling because eventually your leads would get so long that we couldn't get those most up-to-date stats. So we have found a workaround that actually works even better. It is going to be tracking these prices over time, which will help us build some really cool features that we have planned for you guys. But it gives you a better insight into the lead before you open up both the links and start investigating it for yourself. You can see here when you're looking at your lead that at the very end, next to the list name, it will tell you when the last time this lead was updated. So for example, this was last updated 15 days ago, which is not going to be the normal standard. As of right now, this is going through all of our leads that we have ever delivered and updating those prices. That is a very, very large file. So it's going to take some time to digest that. And then what it will do is it will start prioritizing updates based off of length of time since the last time, since the lead was updated last, as well as how much the price varies. So if you have a selling price that's constantly changing, it's going to prioritize checking those leads. So in a nutshell, basically this tool over time is going to get more efficient and prioritize updating leads that are fastest selling and fastest moving type products. So if you're looking at the lead, you'll have your last updated, which is up there in the title. You can also hover over the clock icon and you will be able to see the last time that the lead was updated. If you come across a lead that is blank right now, that just means that our system hasn't picked it up and checked to see if there is a new FBA price. Again, that kind of stuff is going to be ironed out over these next couple of weeks, and you should see all your leads with updated prices. And then eventually where those updates are more like, every 3 or 4 days, depending on the lead itself. You can actually see down here on a couple of these, this lead was updated 6 days ago, and then this lead was updated 3 days ago. So you can see kind of how often that this system is going to be picking those up. Guys, this makes sourcing so much easier. Because while you're going through your old lead data, you can get a picture of what is the FBA price or what was the FBA price a few days ago. And that's really going to help you identify, hey, what leads should I be opening up and which ones can I pretty much ignore? If you're using Compact View, it's going to look a little different than what you're seeing here. So let me switch over to Compact View. And in Compact View, you now have a sticky header up top. So as you're scrolling down, you'll be able to see what each column represents. If the FBA net profit, ROI, and 90-day sales rank average are highlighted green, it means that you have Show Latest Stats turned on, as well as these figures here will be bolded. And then if you hover over each one of those stats, it will tell you the last time that those stats were updated as well. So you can scroll through here and you can see what that would look like. Other than that, guys, that is going to do it with this update video. We're really excited to get this into your guys' hands. Like I said, this has been a large update that we've been working on for a while. It is pretty complex, but I'm very happy to say that we have a really good working system right now. So again, this is in beta phase, so be patient as we iron out some of the wrinkles that we have to every time that there is an update that hits our system. Go ahead and play around with this. And again, if you see any leads here that are not updated, just be patient. Give it a couple weeks and you should see those prices have fully been updated. So other than that, guys, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.